Hi everyone, welcome to Dazza Zinglish, where English is simple, clear, and sometimes has a few dogs. Today, we're going to talk about one of the most important verbs in English, the verb be. Be is a special verb. We don't usually say be in conversation. We say am, is, or are. These are all forms of be. Let's look at some examples. We use am, is, and are depending on the subject. I am tired. She is happy. We are in Sri Lanka. We use the verb be to talk about who or what someone is. She is a teacher. I am Darren. Describe feelings or conditions. I am cold. They are hungry. Talk about places. He is at home. We are in Colombo. Talk about age or time. She is 7 years old. It is 3 o'clock. Talk about actions happening right now. I am talking to you. Curly is sleeping. Let's look at some common mistakes and how to fix them. He happy. He is happy. We in the car. We are in the car. I late. I am late. Don't forget the verb be. It's small but very important. Let's practice. I'll say the sentence. You say it after me. I am a student. She is my friend. They are at school. Well done. To ask a question, just move the verb to the front. Is she tired? Are you ready? Am I late? To say no, just add not. I am not tired. He is not here. We are not hungry. That's all for today. The verb be is everywhere in English, so keep listening and practicing. Wilma is sleeping. Curly and Bingo are watching me. And I am saying goodbye. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you want more beginner grammar videos. See you next time on Dazza Zinglish.